Hi there, we're going to talk a little bit about strumming in this video, strumming reggae. I'm going to give you a simple strumming pattern. We're going to use the song Running Away as, as an exercise. So this is a song. Running away, we're running and you're running and you're running away. You're running and you're running and you're running away. You're running and you're running, but you can't run away from yourself. 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 You must have done something wrong. Said you must have done something wrong. Why you can't find the place where you belong. And we could go on forever. Them crazy, them crazy. We gotta chase those crazy bald heads out of town. And we could actually also medley it with the roots rock reggae song. I'll do it in the end of the video. Right now we're going to talk about strumming. So you've probably heard this many times. Strumming for reggae means you're going to strum on the offbeat. And what I mean is this. One and two and three and four and one and two. Just keep your. We're gonna use the F sharp minor and the B minor. Just put your fingers on the strings, but don't press them. We want to mute this. So what we're gonna do right now is with your right hand, you're just gonna go down and up. So it's. And just keep a steady pace on it. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Just keep doing this. 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. Just keep repeating this until you have this. Just mute the strings. If you're a bit more advanced, this is going to be pretty straightforward. But if you're starting out, just mute the strings and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now what we mean when we say we're going to play this on the offbeat means every time we get to the end, we're going to press our fingers on the strings. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. So you see, on the 1 you always mute it, on the end you're going to press the strings. When we change the chords that we're playing, you always change it on the number, on the 1 or on the 3. So you never change it. After a while, when you're starting out, you're gonna have kind of the urge to change when you're actually strumming the strings, but you don't do that. You change it on the muted beat. So I'm gonna show you 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and change 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 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you see, It's not very hard, but you just gotta keep repeating this until it feels second nature, until it just becomes something you can do without thinking too much about it. It's just a question of repeating. And once you got that, we're just gonna change it a little bit quicker so we can play the Running Away song. So we're gonna change it on the 1 and on the 3. On the 1 we're gonna play the F sharp minor, and on the 3 we're gonna play the B minor. So it's 1 and 2 and change and 2 and change and 2 and change and change and 2 and change and 4 and change and 2 and change and 4 change and 2 and change and 4 and change and change and 2 and change and 4 and change and once you got this, you're done. And from here you can play a lot of songs, a lot of Bob Marley songs from here. Running Away, Crazy Ballheads, we can medley it with the roots rock reggae we were looking at in the first video. So just to finish off the video, I'll play a little bit. Running away, you're running and you're running and you're running away. You're running and you're running, but you can't run away from yourself. Can't run away from yourself. You must have done something wrong. Said you must have done something wrong. Roots rock reggae. So it's F sharp, B, F sharp, bam, bam, down, bam, and to switch back is just easy. I'm crazy. We're gonna chase those crazy ballheads out of town. Chase those crazy ballheads. So there you got it. Just keep practicing the strum. Remember, always change it on the 1, which you're never gonna play, or the 3. And always play on the end. Just keep repeating it and you get it. Hope you enjoyed it.